You need a presentation. So, you find the last one, open it up, make a few tweaks, and hit send. Then you notice the case study is from 2 years ago. The pricing is wrong, and somewhere in slide 14 it still says someone else's name. That's where Templafy Custom Agents come in. Unlike generic AI, they're built for one specific type of document, and they already know your company, your structure, your content, your way of doing things. So instead of cleaning up a mess, you start with something that's actually ready to use. Before you ever open the agent, your admins have already set it up. The template it uses, the structure and approved content it can pull from, the tone it writes in. You don't need to think about any of that. It's already done. You just show up and create. Let's see that in action with a proposal agent. Open Templafy and select your agent to get started. First, give the agent some context about what you're creating. Type directly into the chat or upload supporting documents. An opportunity brief, meeting notes, customer requirements, whatever you've got. The more context you give it, the more tailored the output. The agent may ask a few follow-up questions to sharpen the output, or if you already provided enough information in your initial prompt, you can skip ahead and continue. Now, the agent gets to work. The agent automatically pulls together the most relevant approved materials for this specific presentation, so you're not hunting through libraries yourself. So, instead of spending hours fixing generic AI output, you're starting with a presentation that's already ready for review and refinement. Before anything is generated, the agent shows you the full structure of your presentation, including which slides will be AI generated and which ones are coming straight from content libraries. This is your moment. Don't like the order? Move sections around. Want a different layout? Swap it. Need to add something the brief didn't cover? Add a section. The agent gives you a strong first draft, but you stay in control of the final presentation. Happy with it? Hit Create. With everything approved, structured, and ready to go, the agent builds the presentation for you. It's combining AI-generated content, approved company materials, and your organization's branding, all in one step. Depending on complexity, this takes a few minutes. Then it's done. Download the file and take a look. No fixing fonts, no hunting for logos, no replacing made-up content. The executive summary reflects your customer's actual goals and challenges from the brief. Approved content like customer stories or team profiles have been inserted automatically where they belong. It feels tailored, because it is. It's tailored to the customer, built from approved company content, and ready for you to refine rather than rebuild. That's the whole point. You get the speed of AI without the cleanup. Once you've seen it work for proposals, imagine what else it can do. Pitch decks, business reviews, audit reports, and more. The days of starting from a blank slide, manually rebuilding the same presentation for the 100th time, or hoping the AI didn't invent your pricing are over.